Hello, I'm Michael Gould. In the next 2 minutes, I will introduce my cetacean research efforts performed on my sailing vessel Kirdon in the Bahamas. A typical day would start under sail, sipping my coffee while keeping an eye out for dolphins. Once spotted here on the bank, the bow offers its best spot to photograph as it is not blocked by sailing hardware and able to see what is going on below the bow. It can get more difficult with these 6-foot waves in the ocean, but I can still gather the data I need, such as individual IDs using distinctive markings, species ID using size, coloring, behaviors, tracking malnutrition, injuries, diseases, and healing. The Bahamas also has a varied whale population such as pilot whales, melon-headed, sperm, Gervais-beaked whales, and Blainville-beaked, and more. Best ID shots are when the cetaceans are not too close, but dolphins and some whales love to ride the bow. So I invented a rig to mount a GoPro about 1 foot under the bow. This rig allows me to get great footage of the cetaceans in their own environment where I can see and document the entire body of the animal. Here the water is far clearer, so the information I can gather is of far better quality. I am able to capture this group behavior of melon-headed whales along with one curious whale. These are rough-toothed dolphins with patchy skin patterns. Hellenic spotted dolphins whose pattern of spots are the usual method for identifying gray spinner dolphins underwater. At the end of each sighting, I record the information such as position, time, species, quantity, and makeup of cetaceans, environment, and behaviors witnessed. These photos, videos, and audio files are also noted. When processing that sighting, I enter that data into my database using a web interface, linking all extracted photos, audio, and video files. In the Bahamas, my data is supplied to the BMMRO, which is the primary Bahamian research effort supplemented by my data along with other volunteers. I am also working on a paper analyzing bottlenose sounds in the Bahamas comparing different islands. I thoroughly enjoy working with these animals, constantly learning new things about each species and their differences in other areas of the Bahamas.